So, okay, so in this Python episodes, we're gonna learn how to draw a uh, patterns as you are seeing on the screen. So, you can see from the screen that we are drawing very beautiful circles that is a little bit of a shift from each other, right? So they are not exactly coincide. They have a little shift from one circle, angle shift from one circle to another, and the colors of the circles are changing periodically. And you can see there at the end, uh, all of the circle combines to make a beautiful uh, image and patterns. So today we're gonna learn the algorithms to make this figure possible. Alright. So to begin, okay, so I'm gonna wait until this drawing is done. I think it's gonna be done soon. Alright. So that is the picture we receive after we finishing the algorithm, which is beautiful. So to create this pattern, first of all we have to import the library turtle, which is the library for drawing patterns like that. So import turtle. Alright. And then we can choose the color of the pen size, and also we can choose the speed at which you want the pen to draw. So turtle dot bg color. So you can see there bg color, and we're gonna choose black, which is the the background color. So we're gonna choose black. Alright. So now we want to choose a pen size. So turtle dot pen size, and we want it to be uh, 2 2. So we're gonna choose pen size 2, and at the same time we're gonna choose speed of the pen. So of the pen. So turtle dot speed will be 10. Okay. Okay. And now as you can see from the pattern here, this pattern is actually a loop, right? So each time we draw a circle and we want the pen to tilt at the angle, right? A certain amount of angle, and we want the pen to change color periodically, right? So it's gonna go from yellow to white, white to red, red into pink, pink to blue, blue to cyan, and etc. So for creating such a loop, we can say for I in range, and we're gonna use range 10, and then for color, and then here we got announce a list of color, which is red, magenta, blue, magenta, blue, oh sorry, okay, cyan and green, cyan and green, uh, yellow and white, and then yellow and white. Okay, yellow and white. Okay, so I don't want some space here, so let's delete it for consistency. So we're gonna use color. Uh, we're gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 color: red, magenta, blue, uh, cyan, green, yellow, and white. Okay, and now uh, we want to do turtle dot color, the color function, and we're gonna choose from the colors list for, from the list, which were colors from the list, and then you can say turtle. We want the radius of the circle that we are drawing here, so we want to the radius to be 100 units in total. So turtle dot circle, and to make the diameter or the size of the circle inside turtle, we can say turtle dot circle, and then we can fill in the diameters, and then for each of the circle we want the pen to tilt a certain degree. In this case I want it to tilt 10 degrees. So uh, after finishing each circle I want the pen to tilt 10 degrees, and after that we also change the pen colors. Okay, so circle dot left 10. So turtle dot left 10, and then we cap it off. We're gonna uh, go to the position to be that is equal to the indentation of the for loop, and we're just gonna say turtle dot down in the bracket. Okay, so I think that's enough for the this program to work out. So let's try if this thing can actually work. So I'm gonna turn this thing off, and then file, save. We're gonna save it as circle 2 because I have another file named circle here. So circle 2, and then let's hit run. Okay, so there you see, beautiful. So the mouse actually change color. So change color in exactly order that we want it to go. So red, magenta, blue, cyan, green, and yellow. So blue, and that's cyan, and that's green. Okay, and then yellow, then white. So it's just gonna keep repeating that way. So we're gonna see the final result. And the program is about to finish because most of the circle has been drawn. You can see that create like a almost like a colorful sphere, right? So it's almost done. So I think that's enough for the program. Okay, a few more loops, and then I think it's done. Okay, so that's basically how you can create such pattern with Turtle. So thank you very much for listening, and I want to see you on the next episode. Have a good day. Thank you.